What's up, Team DMS? It's the Master Stylist, and I am back with another video. So this is probably one of the most requested videos, even though I did do a little snippet on this during Vlogmas. I really didn't get into details or exactly how to do it. I'm no perfectionist, and I'm not, I mean, it's okay, but it's not, I don't feel like it's the best. But it's not something that I do all the time, so I don't get a lot of practice on it. But anyway, when doing these rakes, for me, I can only do it on really short hair. I've tried it on longer hair, just doesn't work. Not my thing. Shout out to y'all in St. Louis and all of that who was killing the rake game, but not for me. So you just really want to go ahead and spray the comb, and then you kind of go in and comb it with the rake, and you're just using the blow dryer on heat, but I have it on low heat, just so it doesn't like move the hair from the wind of the blow dryer. And you're pretty much just doing the hair in a waving, it's so hard to explain this, y'all. I don't know how to explain it. You you're just combing the hair in the direction of the wave, kind of lifting it so it leaves that comb mark, and then we're just blow drying. I don't know. That's the best way I can explain it to y'all. I'm going to let this video play so you can see it. I'm a visual person, so I don't really need people to tell me stuff. I just need to see how it's done. So I'm sorry I can't really explain how to do it, but this is how to do it. right now I'm just going ahead and touching up her little edges, spraying it down, make sure everything is nice and neat. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, and ring that bell to get notified. And I'll see you again.